Dear students, we will study about socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution for class 9th in history. In this chapter, we will study the age of social change in real industrial society and social change. The advent of socialism in Europe, the Russian Revolution, the First World War and Russian Empire, the February Revolution in Petrograd, impact of the October Revolution, the global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR. You will read about the coming of socialism in Europe and the dramatic event that forced the ruling monarch Tsar Nicholas II to give up his power. रूस में जो सम्राट होता था उसको जार कहते थे. The Russian Revolution sought the change to contemporary society in a different way. It raised the question of economic quality and the well-being of the workers and the peasants. The chapter will tell you about the changes that were initiated by the new Soviet government, the problem in faced and the measures it undertook, while Soviet Russia pushed ahead with industrialization and mechanization of agriculture. It denied the rights of citizens that were essential to the working of a democratic society. The ideals of socialism, however, became part of the anti-colonial movement in different countries. Today, the Soviet Union is broken up and the socialism is in crisis. But through the 20th century, it has been a powerful force in the shaping of contemporary world. वर्तमान में सोशलिज्म कई देशों से लगभग समाप्त हो गया. रूस भी पूंजीवाद की ओर बढ़ रहा है. The age of social change. The French Revolution opened the possibilities of creating a democratic change in the way in which society was structured. As you have read before, the advent of 18th century, the society was broadly divided into states and others, and it was the aristocracy and the church which controlled economic and social power. Suddenly, after the revolution, it seemed possible to bring a change in this. In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new ideas about individual rights and who controlled social power began to discussed. एशिया और यूरोप में इस बात के विचार आए कि जो व्यक्तिगत अधिकार हैं और सामाजिक अधिकार इन पर किसका नियंत्रण हो। नाउ लिबरल, radicals and conservatives, these are the groups in that time in Europe. फर्स्ट, ये विभिन्न प्रकार के समूह थे उन दिनों जिस समय रूस में सोशलिज्म का उदय हुआ, यूरोप में सोशलिज्म का उदय हुआ और रूस में क्रांति हुई। फर्स्ट, लिबरल, one of the group which looked for a change in the society was the liberals. एक समूह था जो समाज में परिवर्तन लाना चाहता था। Some ideas of this group. First, they wanted a nation which supported all religions. In 19th and 20th century, European states generally discriminated in favor of religion for the other. Austria and Spain favoured a Catholic Church, while Britain favoured the Church of England. They opposed in unrestricted absolute power of the church as well. They favoured religion tolerance. They wanted to safeguard the individual rights against government. They argued for a representative and elected parliament government. They favoured a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rule of officials. They did not favor universal adult franchises, the right of every citizen to vote. They wanted voting right to be given only to men and not to women. वे चाहते थे कि केवल वोट देने का अधिकार आदमियों को हो, पुरुषों को हो, महिलाओं को ना हो। सेकेंड ग्रुप वाज रेडिकल्स. दे सपोर्टेड वुमेन्स राइट. ये महिलाओं के अधिकारों का समर्थन करते थे. एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड द वेरियस सफ्रेजिट मूवमेंट. दे वांटेड ए नेशन in which the government was passed on the majority of a country's population. They opposed the privileges of the wealthy landowners and factory owners. They were not against the assistance to private property, but opposed the concentration of it in the hands of few people. यह कुछ लोगों के हाथ में प्रॉपर्टी जाने के विरुद्ध थे. कंजर्वेटिव. इन द 18th century, the conservatives had been generally opposed to the ideas of change. तो कंजर्वेटिव जो ग्रुप था उन्होंने जो बदलाव का विचार था इसका विरोध किया. बट आफ्टर द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन दे लेफ्ट द नीड फॉर चेंज बाय द 19th century. They accepted that some change was necessary, but the past had to be respected. That's all for today. Next day, remaining part of this chapter.